Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can build a website or landing page for your business. Here you can go and type LandingSite AI, then you can scroll down and here you can see this one is the website that will create a website as well as logo for your business. For example, I want to create a website for my business. Enable website design, and here I can add some description. WordPress website design and development company. After that, click here, create my website. Now within couple of seconds you will get a professional website design. So we need to create a free account. And now let me select my Gmail account. After that, scroll down and click here, continue button. Now here you can see it has started working on it. So if you are a WordPress developer and you are doing client hunting, then you can easily create a design for your clients. Then you can send this design, and after that you will get different responses from your clients. So guys, here you can see it is done. Let me scroll down and show you. Everything looks great. All the sections are created. So guys, here you can see I have asked it in the header menu under the services, add service categories pages. So if I scroll down, here you can see it's done. So now let's go and check it. That looks great. And if you noticed, website have multiple pages as well as a professional logo and header footer design. Okay, after that if I try to switch these pages, then it will ask me to upgrade. So after that, now we can preview the website. Here you can go and here you can see a professional header. So all the design is amazing. Now we can check the website responsiveness. Okay, that looks good.